Another heat around brush video. I know I have an obsession with heat around brushes, and I just got these in the mail. So these were sent to me to try out. This is from the brand Maine. Let's try them out. I got two different sizes. So I got the medium size and the large size. So we're gonna do one side with the medium and one side with the large, and let's see how these work. These actually retail for $98 at Sephora. So I will be linking them down below, of course, in the description box if you guys want to check them out. I guess I'll do this side with the big one and then this one with the medium one. But I just did a blowout with a blow dryer and a round brush, and my hair kind of looks a little bit curly. Like it kind of has some bounce to it. So, I mean, that's a good thing because I love bounce and volume, but at the same time, I hope that we're able to notice a difference on my hair with these hair tools. So we're gonna try them out. Let's see. We should be able to notice something at least, I think. As you can see, this heat around brush is very big, very big actually compared to the other ones that I have. The size of this brush is 1.7 inches and the Wavy Talk is about 1.5. I'm gonna grab it just so you guys can see. I wanna do kind of like a side-by-side comparison. But let me turn this on. I want to warm it up. This only has one heat setting. So already that could be either very nice for some people might love that, and some people might hate that. People like me that like to kind of overdo it with the heat settings and go to like 420, which is crazy. I'm not doing that anymore, guys, I promise. But if you're like me and you need to control the heat setting a little bit, then you might need something like this, you know, because 350 degrees Fahrenheit, that should be more than enough, trust me. So let me grab the Wavy Talk so you guys can see a size comparison, and I'll be right back. I don't know if you guys heard that beep, but it's ready to go. It actually warmed up in like less than 20 seconds. This is the Wavy Talk and this is the Maine. As you can see, it's definitely way bigger. So you are gonna get like looser curls with this. And this might be the perfect size to just like touch up a blowout, just to smooth out your hair and give your ends a little bit of a wave, like a little bit of a bounce. So let's try it out. I'm gonna do this section right here first. And like I said, I'm gonna do one side with the large size, which is this one, and then the other side with the medium, just to see how different they are. Okay. So far, feels super gentle. Really like the brush. I'm gonna hold for a little bit. And let's see. By the way, isn't this hair tool beautiful too? I love the colors. Oh, wow. That's actually tighter than I thought it was going to be. It's actually super nice. Okay, let's do one more and then we're gonna do the medium size. I also like that with this hair tool, with this size, you're able to grab very big sections. As you can see, like that section is huge. So I really like that. And it feels very nice on the hair. Like it feels super smooth. It just like glides through your hair super well. And it's not pulling my hair. Okay. And I like that I'm using this in the lower heat setting because sometimes you don't need a super high heat setting. And I gotta repeat that to myself. I don't know why I like to use a higher heat setting. I guess you just get like tighter curls, but wow, I mean, look at that. You see how that just elevates your blowout and it makes it look a lot better. Like this is the before, you know, like my hair will look maybe like this, a little bit of a bounce on the ends, but then this is the after. More smooth up here and a tighter curl and a ton of shine. So yeah, so far I do like this. Let's open the medium size because I want to do two curls over here with the medium. I'm going to divide and separate these curls from the rest of my hair. And let's open this one up. And they're both actually the same price too. So it really doesn't matter what size you get. I feel like I might like this one more, the medium. The medium is a little bit longer as well. Do you see that? It's a little bit longer. So you are able to fit more hair in here. So this one's a little bit smaller as well. Like the brush is like way smaller than this one, but it is longer, like taller. So you're able to grab still a lot of hair. So I like that. I like that they kept that in mind because, for example, the Wavy Talk, it's the same size. It's about the same size, but then the brush on the Maine is a little bit longer, a little bit taller. So you might be able to grab more hair, but they're almost the same. They're almost the same size. It's not a big difference. I feel like the difference is bigger with the other Maine hair tool. Okay, so let's turn this on. So this one is 1.5 inches, the medium, just like the Wavy Talk. And I'm sorry I keep comparing these heat around brushes to the Wavy Talk, but this is like the viral heat around brush right now, you know, like on TikTok shop, this hair tool is just like everywhere. So I just have to kind of compare it a little bit to it because it also is super affordable. It's like $30–40. But I will say so far I do really like these, even though it doesn't have a ton of heat settings to choose from. only has one heat setting, but that really is the only heat setting that you need. I am always so guilty of using super high heat settings and then I end up burning my hair. But yeah, hair tools like this help me control the heat setting, which is super nice. I feel like I desperately need a trim because I have been putting too much heat on my hair, and summer is right here, like right around the corner, so I do want to get a little trim. Let me do one curl with the mane. I'm gonna smooth it out. This is the medium size, like I said. Smooth it out and then do a curl. As you can see, I always curl away from my face. I just feel like it's a lot more flattering. So hold for a little bit, unwrap, hold, and then start twisting the brush. Ooh. Is it me or do these kind of look very similar? Let me do another curl. I was expecting a tighter curl, but I feel like with the other size, with the large, I got a pretty tight curl to begin with. So let's see. All right. Oh, that's way better. You see, that's a little bit tighter. So this is the medium size and this is the large size. Do you guys notice the difference? This curl is definitely tighter than these right here. So I'm just gonna keep doing all my hair. I guess I'm gonna continue with the medium and then I'll do the large and then we'll see how they look at the ends, like side by side, and see if we notice a difference or not. But so far, I noticed a very slight difference. Nothing crazy, but they both feel amazing on my hair. Like, wow. And like I said, I know I had a little bit of a curl already on the ends from my blowout, but this is definitely making my blowout look a lot better. Like, it definitely is giving me a curl, and it's also making my hair shinier, more smooth. So yeah, this one, even though it is a little bit more pricey than other ones in the market, I feel like these are pretty good so far. And honestly, this one is not pulling my hair at all. I will say the one that I tried last time, the Bonsai Boost, it was good, but I did feel like it pulled my hair more. Like right here, you guys noticed that video, it was really like grabbing my hair right here up here. That was not my favorite. So yeah, I didn't love that about that hair tool because it did pull my hair a couple of times, even though it gave me beautiful results. And maybe with time you'll be able to like grab it and use it better without pulling your hair. But so far this one feels really, really nice. And I like that this brush is so long, it's so big, so you're able to like grab pretty nice sections and it's not like pulling your hair. It doesn't feel like you have too much hair on the brush. It actually feels really, really nice. Look at that. That's so nice. I love that. Anyways, I'm gonna clip some of these curls because I want these curls to last a little bit. And also, I just like putting my hair away from my face as I do the rest of my hair, like the bottom sections. So I'm just clipping each section, as you can see. Let me do this one. I haven't done this one yet. I definitely will be using these again because they feel super gentle. It doesn't feel like I'm burning my hair. The heat setting at 355 is perfect. You really don't need anything higher than that. And a lot of you guys told me that on TikTok, and I agree with you. I do. If you wanted to use a higher heat setting, go for it, but I wouldn't recommend it. I would just stick to maybe max 365. This one only has a 355, which is fine with me. Yeah, you really don't need anything higher than that. You really don't. Another thing that I like about these hair tools is that these hair tools just make your blowouts look a lot better, more shiny, more smooth, more bouncy. And that's what I like using heated round brushes for. I don't love using heated round brushes straight from curly hair because I just feel like it's more damaging that way. I feel like it's pulling my hair a lot more that way, and I prefer to blow it out first like I did today with a regular blow dryer and a round brush, and then just use this hair tool as a last step. I know a lot of people just want to use it straight from like their natural hair texture, and that is fine, but I just feel like it's a lot more rough on your hair when you do that. So I almost always like to use these heated round brushes better on like blown out hair, not on like my natural curly hair texture. Again, you could do it. I've tried it before, but it's not the most gentle, and I feel like I have to use a lot more heat to be able to get my hair nice and smooth when I do that. So yeah, I prefer to use these hair tools on a blowout, like after a blowout. Okay, so let's start taking these off. This is the large size, and then this is the medium size. Look at these curls. They look so nice. I feel like they almost look the same, which is super weird. I don't know why. Look at this tight curl that I'm getting with the large size. Wow. I don't even know which side I like better now because I I feel like they both look very nice. Okay, so this is the large size right here on this side. I feel like the curls look very nice and bouncy, and the shine that I got with this hair tool, like, I really love this side. I mean, it's everything that I need, honestly. And I used a lower heat setting, like, that's a big plus. But anyways, this is the smaller size, the medium size technically. Also really like it. I feel like the curls are super nice, and I got a lot of volume. I feel like I got even more volume on this side. What do you guys think? Which side did you like better? Did you like the large size or do you like the medium size? And would you get these? Have you tried them? Let me know in the comments down below. I really like them. I totally recommend grabbing these. And if you just want one of the two, I honestly feel like they're both so nice. And even the bigger size gave me a pretty tight curl. So yeah, you guys let me know in the comments down below which side you liked better, but these are so nice. 100% recommend, and I'll be linking them down below in the description box. And yeah guys, that is it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much.